In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Wix to Shopify. If you're moving your website or store from Wix over to Shopify, one of the most important parts of the process is making sure your domain follows along correctly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the domain settings in Wix and how to use the domain information from Shopify so the connection can be made smoothly. Start by going to wix.com and signing into your account. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your site and account settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This area contains the backend controls for your website, including the sections related to domain management. After opening Settings, look for the section labeled Site, Domain, and SEO. This is the part of Wix where you can manage the web address connected to your site and make adjustments if you're preparing to move that domain elsewhere or connect it to a different platform. Next, click on Domains. This will take you to the domain management area where Wix shows the domains associated with your account or gives you the option to connect one. Take a moment here to confirm that you're working with the correct domain before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website. On this page, you should see a prompt that says you have a domain you want to connect with a field where you can enter it. This is the section you'll use during the setup process. Now switch over to Shopify and get the domain information you need there. The goal at this stage is to pull the domain details from Shopify so you can use them back in Wix. Make sure you copy the correct domain exactly as it appears. Accuracy matters here because even a small typo can cause the connection to fail or delay the setup. Once you have the domain from Shopify, return to the Wix page and paste the Shopify domain into the appropriate field. This tells Wix which domain you want to work with as part of the transfer or connection process. As a quick tip, double check the spelling before confirming anything and make sure you're pasting the full domain with no extra spaces. Also keep in mind that domain changes can sometimes take a little time to update across the internet, so don't worry if everything doesn't refresh instantly. And that's how to begin transferring a domain from Wix to Shopify using the domain settings area in Wix and the domain details from your Shopify account.